Hi, this is Kshitij. I am standing at Bhu Sankalpa Farm. It's an organic farm, completely organic, no chemicals, no fertilizers, no pesticides, being managed by a wonderful family. I know Mr. Harinath personally, and I'll just give you a tour. So this is intercropping brinjal and carrots, and you can see, this entire farm is around 4 acres, and they have divided into different segments. And there is tomato. So one of the things you can observe is in an organic farm there are weeds, which is a good sign that no chemicals are being used, none whatsoever. And once this comes on your plate, you can taste the difference and see the difference. And that is moringa, drumstick moringa. The leaves can be powdered, and we have a product also. Bhu Sankalpa has a moringa powder product. So I'm standing in front of Sesbina grandiflora, also known as Indian flax. High in demand seeds, quite expensive. Now they have planted mango trees, and here you can see the different beds prepared for intercropping. And that is the moringa tree. Here you can see layer after layer of tomatoes. There, moringa leaves kept to be dried to make moringa powder. All these leaves I've kept it under shade so that the nutrient value is maintained, it's not lost. And if you come ahead, you can see how it is intercropped. It looks very different from the conventional farms, organic farms. And there we have Jiva Amrita, the natural fertilizer which is used. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is used to fertilize the lands, also food for the microorganisms. Is citric enzyme being prepared from tomatoes. So you can see everything is organic here. And yeah, the farm itself, if you come here, you can feel. And here we have red chilies. And guess what this is? This is something which we eat every day in Indian homes. A lentil. Even I didn't know this is actually tuar dal. It comes like this. Once it dries and you open it, then you can see this is tuar dal. And this right here is something which most of the Indian women use at home. You can't make it out, but it's mehendi. This leaf right here, you grind it and then keep it for some time, and then you apply it as mehendi. Here, standing in front of papaya trees, all organic, hybrid but organic. This one is hybrid. There is an organic one also, desi one also there. That's it. Mango trees. And that far away you see, that's jackfruit tree, my favorite fruit. Yet to flower, but hopefully next time when you come it will be flowered. And here they have sowed papaya. This small thing will become a huge thing. And this right here is a bee box where bees will use the farm and pollinate, and after a month or so you can actually harvest honey out of it. So you can say it's an organic bee farm because everything is organic here. So this is what I call a traditional organic farm with intercropping. You have papaya here, you have brinjal here, you have moringa here, you have cauliflower here, You have mango. We have so much variety here, and everything helps each other. It's coming together and keeping all the pests away, so it's very good, organic and healthy. Thank you.
Thank you for purchasing.
Very, what is it? Very lucky day for me.
Thank you.